Hello. Here we go. Let's go to CSSBattle.dev and do the daily target. And let's keep it simple. We'll create my favorite conic gradient at, what's the width of the black? And I guess it's hash 222. Yeah, hash 222. It's from 130 to 270, which means it's 140 at 140 pixels, 140 pixels. And it's this color, 75% around, and then 222, 0. And none of that is working yet. Oh, because that's a semicolon and it should be a comma. There's the comma. And then we move it over and down. And we kind of have it. All right, we're close. More y-axis, make that 70, 80, and we've got it. Okay. Then background of the paragraph tag can be 3 Fs. I'm going to move the margins onto the paragraph tag. And then we get to push this down more. 100 down. No, how about 80 down? 80 looks good. And then on the sides, 10. And then taller, 2, 3, 4. And then it's a skew. Is it skew or is it transform? I think it's transform. Skew. Skew with a K, skew. And it's skew on the x-axis, and I think it's negative, minus 100 degrees. That's too much. 50 degrees. Nope, how about... That's the idea. Make it 40. 50, 60. 50, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. That looks like it could be right. So if we then narrow, so this is what we got now. We've skewed the x-axis of this guy so that he's, leaning. And then we need margins to have made him a little bit less wide. So that means we need to increase the inline margin on the sides. 110, 120, 121, 122. 119, 120, 121, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 1.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. This might not work. Let's submit it and find out if it's working. Maybe it is. Maybe it's not. That is 100% matching. We are going to take it. Lots of opportunities here. There are obviously ways to create these kind of shapes without using skew. There are background ways. There are clip path ways. Many choices. I'm not going to do them today. You can do them. There may be even more efficient ways to do these. I'm tempted to try, but I don't have time today. But luckily I do a video of this every day, and sometimes I definitely have more time. Let's minify and unit replace and submit, and then that's how I'm doing it today. Super fun. It's a fun shape. Do I have anything to add to it? Not really. This is a nice, efficient type fella, type deal. So sometimes you can get away, when I feel obliged to use a half pixel like this, sometimes I can get away with getting rid of it. So I'm getting rid of the 121.5, and it looks very similar, but there's a little bit more of the diff. So I'm going to submit that and see if I get something different. I'm curious. No, it accepted that as well. So there are almost certainly more efficiencies to be gotten in this guy. Can the at be a percent? Yeah, there's another tuning. Can Yeah, so that gooses us over 700, which is a nice score. There are absolutely more ways to improve this. Feel free to go for it. Feel free to improve on this if you feel. You don't have to share them. That's fine. Just do it for yourself. Have a great day. Go make a webpage. Go be good to each other. Be good to yourself. It continues to be. Oh, 2025 is a lot. But there's stuff we can do. that being good to yourself. This is not just words that I say. This is what I really believe. Like, it, you know, it's hard. Life is hard. I'm got the gray hair that indicates that I've been around for a while, and I have certainly been through hard times, and these are certainly hard times, just for everybody. A lot of people suffer, and whatever you can do to mitigate that suffering, try to do that. Sometimes it's a small thing. All right, that's enough words for me. Take it easy. Bye.